Welcome to the today's video lecture in which I am going to explain how you can plot XRD data on the origin and how you can remove the baseline. So first of all, what do we have here? We have this VC file. Okay, so this is actually the XRD file. So I am going to first of all open it, and then what I have to do, I have to just select all the data and I have to copy it, and then I have to go back to origin, and then I have to paste all the data here. Okay, so as you can see here that on the screen, all of the data has been pasted in the workbook. So you just have to select all the data and here click on this line. After clicking on this line, you can see that there is a plot of XRD that is shown on your screen. So a graph has been drawn based on the data that you have given. So the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to perform the subtraction of the baseline. So for the subtraction of the baseline, what you have to do, you have to go into the analysis, then you have to go into peak and baseline, and then you have to go into the peak analyzer, and then you have to go open dialog. So after clicking that, there will be a dialog that will be open. So as you can see on the screen that a dialog has been opened. So next thing that you have to do, you have to select the subtract baseline option from here. Then you have to click on next. And then after that, from this baseline mode, you have to select asymmetric least square smoothing. And then you have to click next. And then again next, you don't have to change any options here, just click next. And then click on the finish. So after doing that, what will happen? The baseline, there will be some new data that will be given in the workbook. So you have to just shift onto the workbook from here. So I'm going back to the workbook. So here, as you can see that we have some new data in the sheet. Okay, so this data here is the subtracted data that you have to draw again. So I have to select both of these two columns, and then I have to click on the line again to draw the XRD data again. So now you have to select the point of window. If you increase the point of window, the strength of smoothing will also be increased. So 5 is very less. Let's just say I'm going to smooth it for 25. If I smooth it for 25 and then I have to click OK, then you can see here that we have an option here 25 point smooth. So you have to just uncheck the subtracted, and then what we will be left with is the smooth form of the XRD signal. So you can just increase its diameter. So that is the final version. Okay, you can also smooth it further according to your own choice. So this is how you can plot an XRD and subtract the baseline.